Sophia Borden with MiningIR, and we are on day 2 at the 2023 Mines and Money Conference here in Miami. Joining me is David Browning, VP of Westward Gold. David, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks for having me. Good morning.
Are you having a good start to your day?
I am.
Woke up to some sunshine.
That's right. This is not the worst place to be.
Although I guess you get to wake up to sunshine every day because you're based in Nevada.
Yeah, but there aren't the beaches, so this is pretty nice.
That's
this is
true.
an upgrade for sure. Yeah.
Can you tell us a bit about the company?
Yeah, so we're a junior exploration company. We're focused on Nevada exploration. That's my background. And we're focused in an area called the Cortez Trend on the Battle Mountain Eureka Trend. It's about 2 hours southwest of Elko, and it's right near some major producers like Pipeline, Cortez Hills, and not too far from Barrick's recent 4 Mile and Gold Rush discoveries. So.
And currently, how many projects do you have on the go?
So we've got 4 right now, one on the Carlin Trend that we just staked, and then that area down by Cortez Hills is actually 3 separate properties, but they're all continuous. So we've got about a 40 square kilometer land package out there.
Can you dive a little deeper into your flagship project?
Yeah, so our flagship is the Toiyabe project. It's got a 170,000 ounce resource, historical resource, grading 1.2 grams per ton. So it's a good start for us. And then, like I said, adjacent to it, we've got Turquoise Canyon and East Saddle, so pretty big land package. Yeah, so that resource was a good start for us. We're seeing some mineralization at depth that's not included in the resource, so that's really what our main exploration thesis is out there and what we're continuing to explore right now.
And what are some catalysts that investors should be aware of?
So last week, we actually just closed a deal with EMX Royalty Corp. So they did a private placement with us. They almost got about 4% of our company. But the big thing with them is they own a diamond core rig. So that core rig is actually out at site right now. So to be able to drill this time of year, we're in northern Nevada, so it's a little bit tricky with the snow, but we're getting an early start and we should have assay results out in May. So
Wonderful.
We're really excited about that.
That is very exciting.
Yeah.
Can you tell us about the structure of your team?
Yeah, so I'm VPX, so I run the technical side. We've got 2 really good geologists that work under us. Junior geo named Savannah Reyes and a pretty well-known mine finder named Steve Kaler. And then management is our CFO, Andrew Nelson, and CEO, Colin Moore. So young team, but we're fired up, and we've stacked the benches of our advisory board with well-known geologists who've had a lot of success.
That's wonderful. What is Nevada like as a mining jurisdiction? I know there's a lot going on there.
Yeah, according to Fraser, it's #1, right? I mean, it's safe. We've got friendly government. We've got good infrastructure. I mean, you've got towns like Elko, Battle Mountain, Austin, Eureka, and those are there for mining. So we've got skilled labor. We've got people that want us there, and we've got the infrastructure with being one of the most endowed gold districts in the world. So everything's in our favor.
Yeah, which is key.
Yeah.
What separates you from other junior mining companies?
Yeah, so we're young. I think a lot of junior companies would say that right now. But we really embrace new technologies. So my background for 7 years before I was with Westward Gold was a company called TerraCore, and they focused on hyperspectral technologies. So we've really been able to utilize that from both airborne and core imaging and really kind of break this project wide open. So we've been able to understand the mineralogy a little bit better, the alteration and how it relates to the mineralization. So that's really our key advantage is our utilization of kind of the old school geology with guys like Steve and Richard Bedell helping us out, and then tying that into this new information that we're getting from these new technologies.
What are you hoping to experience or see in the coming year? I know you're going to be drilling, but is there anything else that you're excited for?
Yeah, well, so this hole that we have right now is the best target this project's ever seen. And that's, again, we've taken all the old school data, we have new technologies, so we're really excited about that. Getting these assays back is going to be really exciting in May, and we're hoping to use that as a catalyst to continue this drill program and continue to explore the property and move on to our other land packages as well across that 40 square kilometers.
David, most important question, why should investors invest in you?
We're in the heart of elephant country, right? So we're right near major producers, and the best place to look for gold is next to a mine. And we've got some big ones around us.
Wonderful. Well, I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference, and thanks so much for chatting today.
Thank you for your time.
Thanks,
Appreciate
David.
it.